on a different platform.
That's right. Your announcers will not be harmed in the event of a ramp collapse.
And now we're just gathering the cars for our next class, and while we do that, we'll just have a short break here. With motorcycles, with cars, it's just absolutely amazing.
And along those lines, right in this area is Henry Ford III, who is the great-great-grandson or great-great-great carrying on.
Well, it's got to be a little tough when, as they say, your name's on the building.
Who do you think you are, Henry Ford? Well, yes, I am. If you are not one of the owners of the motorcycles that are on the field, we'd like you to please clear the doors.
All right. All right.